Augusta, Georgia may be most famous as the home of the Masters tournament, but there's so much more to love about this southern gem than its rolling greens. Situated on the Savannah River, this is a city steeped in history. Augusta has a wide variety of museums dedicated to various periods, from the times of slavery to the turbulent Civil War, plus museums that will walk you through the city's cultural, artistic, and musical traditions. So here's the list of 10 best things to do in Augusta, Georgia. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming travel videos. Here we go. Number 1. Augusta Riverwalk. A must-see attraction in Augusta is the city's Riverwalk, with museums situated at either end and events on the schedule year-round. A multi-level brick trail between 6th and 10th Streets in downtown Augusta offers a relaxing walkway along the Savannah River, complete with a children's playground and fountain. The booths of the Augusta Market at the river, which is held from spring through fall, fill the Riverwalk on Saturday mornings with the aroma of coffee and the enticing colors of fresh fruits and veggies. Along the walkway, the Jesse Norman Amphitheater can seat up to 1,600 people looking to watch a concert or attend a festival with riverfront views. Number 2. Phinizy Swamp Nature Park. You can't leave Augusta without spending some time in nature, and there's no better place to do it than at the Phinizy Swamp Nature Park. This 1,100-acre wetlands area is home to an incredible variety of plant and animal species, including otters, alligators, red-shouldered hawks, and bobcats. There are 14 miles of easy hiking and biking trails winding through the park, plus a series of boardwalks and observation points where you can take in the scenery and keep your eyes peeled for wildlife. Number 3. Augusta Museum of History. Since its establishment in 1937, the Augusta Museum of History has done a great job of fulfilling its mandate to celebrate and display the city's rich history, along with that of its surrounding counties. Situated in the downtown area just a few steps away from the city's Riverwalk, it's a fun outing for all ages, with interesting dioramas, artifacts, and exhibits showcasing everything from the region's first human settlers right up to the present day. Of special interest to music fans is a collection related to the godfather of soul, James Brown, who grew up in Augusta. Highlights include some of Brown's most iconic stage costumes. Number 4. Augusta Canal National Heritage Area. Augusta Canal is the only industrial canal in the American South in continuous use since it was built in 1845. A source of water, power, and transportation, the canal was largely responsible for the city's industrial boom. After it was widened and deepened in the 1870s, a large number of mills that relied on its power, especially textile mills, were built on the canal, boosting the city's industrial boom. In the 1890s, the city installed the new, impressive water pumping station at Mid-Canal to replace the original one, and the pump is still supplying Augusta residents with water today. Number 5. Woodrow Wilson Boyhood Home. Augusta also contains a childhood home of one of the most notable 20th century American presidents. Woodrow Wilson, the nation's 28th leader, spent a decade of his childhood living in this Georgia city. While the nation was undergoing the turmoil of the Civil War, young Woodrow was coming of age. Known then as Tommy, Wilson lived in Augusta while his father was preaching at the First Presbyterian Church. As he grew up in this home, he likely had no idea he would become the leader of the free world, guiding the country amidst the uncertainty of the First World War. What's amazing about the Woodrow Wilson Boyhood Home is how it shows greatness can come from such humble beginnings. Visiting the Woodrow Wilson Boyhood Home is one of the best things to do in Augusta. Number 6. Morris Museum of Art. Situated alongside Augusta's famed Riverwalk, the Morris Museum of Art is the premier museum dedicated to art produced in the American South. The museum's permanent collection features over 5,000 works, while its rotating exhibitions ensure that there is always something new to see. When you visit the Morris, start your exploration in the museum's permanent collection, showcasing art produced from the late 18th century to the present day. These works span across 10 galleries and give guests an all-encompassing view of Southern-inspired creativity. Number 7. Savannah Rapids Park. Another very pleasant spot with stunning views to stroll around is Savannah Rapids Park. Lying towards the northern outskirts of town, it has numerous historic sites and viewpoints for visitors to discover, with all kinds of outdoor activities being on offer. Set at the entrance to the Augusta Canal next to Reed Creek Waterfall, its gorgeous green spaces are the perfect place to relax, unwind, and immerse yourself in nature. For over 150 years, people have come here to walk, run, jog, and cycle, with kayaking along the Savannah River also being popular. Overlooking the canal is the charming 1880 Lockkeeper's Cottage, which houses a tiny museum on Columbia Country and a shady pavilion where you can host fun private events. There are also some historic canal buildings to see and a playground and barbecue pit to make use of. Number 8. Imperial Theater. The Imperial Theater is one of the top Augusta attractions for any visitor in the city. Built in the early 1800s, the theater has seen many performances over its long and storied history. It was once a popular venue for vaudeville and photoplay shows, but today it's more likely you'll find musical theater performances, such as Mary Poppins or popular concerts by renowned artists. On top of all the amazing performances, you can also take an in-depth tour of the theater, where you can see all the main features, such as the stage, lobby, and dressing rooms. It's a fantastic way to relive the glory days of the theater and experience a piece of Augusta's cultural history. Number 9. Meadow Garden. George Walton, the youngest signer of the Declaration of Independence, lived in Augusta. His former residence, Meadow Garden, has been open to the public as a house museum since 1901, and you can still take a guided tour of this National Historic Landmark today. Orphaned at the age of 7, Walton eventually moved from Virginia to Georgia, where he apprenticed as a lawyer and was elected to the Second Continental Congress at 26 years old. He went on to become a colonel, governor, senator, and chief justice in Georgia. Tours of Meadow Garden last about 45 minutes and are delivered by a docent in period dress. Recent tour takers laud the immaculate condition of the House Museum, one of the state's oldest, along with the accommodating tour guides. Number 10. Augusta Mall. If you want to shop until you drop, then the enormous Augusta Mall is definitely the place to go. One of the largest shopping centers in the state, its stylish complex lies just a 15-minute drive to the west of downtown. Since first opening to the public in 1978, it has undergone numerous expansions, with more than 150 stores and restaurants now sprawling across its 2 floors. These sell everything from jewelry and beauty products to accessories, clothing, and fitness wear. JCPenney and Macy's anchor the massive mall alongside Dick's, Dillard's, and Barnes & Noble. After browsing its endless boutiques, you can sit and grab a bite to eat or drink at the food court, with other excellent cafes and restaurants also dotted here and there. Number 11. Sacred Heart Cultural Center. The Sacred Heart Cultural Center is a former Catholic church built in 1897 and located in Augusta's downtown. Registered on the National Register of Historic Places, the striking building features twin spires, 15 styles of brickwork, graceful arches, 94 magnificent stained glass windows, a barrel-vaulted ceiling, and finely carved marble altars. The last Mass in Sacred Heart was held in 1971, and after extensive renovation, it was reopened in 1987 as a cultural center. The building serves as a wonderful venue for cultural and social events, art exhibitions, theatrical productions, a popular garden festival, and choral concerts. Its facilities can be rented for all kinds of private and public events, and it is used continually throughout the year for celebrations and civic functions. Number 12. Magnolia Cemetery. Magnolia Cemetery is a collection of cemeteries, 5 Jewish and 1 Greek. It takes up more than 60 acres and is also around a Masonic lodge and multiple churches. You can also see Georgia's oldest tree, the crepe myrtle, here. If you're interested in military history, you can see the graves of soldiers who fought in the American Revolution and Civil War. This is also one of the main Augusta attractions if you're looking for free things to do. It's really wonderful to walk around Magnolia Cemetery and pay your respects. You might not be related to or have any knowledge of the people buried here. However, you can still honor them with your presence. Cemeteries let people who are gone live on in our memories, even if we never knew them personally. Magnolia Cemetery is one of the most moving places to go in Augusta. It's open every day between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. The last word. So guys, this was the best list of things to do in Augusta, Georgia. Hope you will like it and appreciate it. People who come to this city are amazed by all of the awesome things there are to do and see. This gorgeous city of Augusta will take you back in time to the 18th century, as well as showcase Georgia's beautiful nature intertwined with outdoor adventure. Among the top attractions in Augusta are famous museums, gorgeous nature parks, and recreational sites. There's no want that Augusta doesn't fulfill for travelers. So if you love to travel and you want to see the whole world, then Tripoyer is the channel that gives you a list of the best places to visit in the USA. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icons for the latest upcoming travel videos. Bye bye, see you.